Welcome to Autosport Designs, everybody. Today we'll be driving this super cool 1989 Land Rover Defender 90 in a soft top configuration. I've got Dawn with me. She is the Land Rover expert. This is in a 5-speed manual configuration with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel. These vehicles have been around for many years, have visited many continents, and are known for their indestructibility and reliability. So we will get behind the wheel, fire it up, and we'll see you on the road. All right, here we are, everybody. I know the controversy over cold starts, but we'll do one today because it's like 35, 40 degrees out. And if you wouldn't mind just panning into the back here. And now this is official Land Rover vernacular. One may fit 4 blokes back here. 2 blokes and another 2 blokes. So that's a total of 4 blokes. You put the top down, it's a party, it's awesome, and you're sure to have a really great time. This is the perfect vehicle for you guys to put in your beach house, at your chalet, at your cottage on the lake. It really is the go anywhere, do anything vehicle. We actually have a task today. Dawn pointed out that this Land Rover Defender 90 is missing one very important feature. We'll fill you in what that is on the road. Keep watching. We'll see you. All right, so we're on our way to pick up something festive, shall we say, for the holiday time. Just driving along here in this 89 Defender 90. It feels like I'm driving a new vehicle. Of course, this was restored to perfection by a very well-known restorer, JE Robison in Massachusetts. We're showing just over 1,700 miles. It does have full-time 4-wheel drive, and it has a central locking diff. So this is really the ultimate go anywhere, do anything vehicle, and you can do it in class and style. In this one, I love it. I know you'll love it too. I can't help but to compare it to something like a G-Wagon Cabriolet. I think with this, you're getting more bang for your buck. You're getting something completely restored with an open checkbook. Really is a great example, and the one you want. We will see you when we get to our next destination. Hello.
Hi, would you like me? Yes. Yes. Main Street Nursery Express.
So, as you can see, we got our beautiful wreath for Christmas right on the front of the Defender 90. We're here at Main Street Flowers in Huntington. Got a lot of beautiful things. Dawn,
I like
have them check it out. It's beautiful. I love the plaid bow. It's
I like the plaid.
It's the perfect finishing touch. Just what we need. So we're gonna get back on the road, and we'll see you soon. Driving along, all the foliage you can handle. Soak it in. That really is a very picturesque scene here in Cold Spring Harbor, New York. Dawn, what can you tell me about this Land Rover that, you know, the average person might not know?
70% of all Defenders ever built are still on the road in some way or more. They're used in every continent. They're just a cool piece. They're not going to set any speed limit.
No.
At all.
They're not.
But they can get you through anything. I've never been in a Land Rover and not been confident that I was going to get through any weather. Like, it didn't matter how many feet of snow. Like, you just get in and go.
I mean, that's the impression I get when I drive this. See, we have this Momo steering wheel. It's got a great 5-speed transmission. Feels awesome. And this is really something you could drive every single day, and in any kind of weather, like Dawn said. So we're here on the farm road. We're going to get it up to a little bit of speed, and this Rover would be great on a farm road, a beach road, a city road, any kind of road you could throw at it. So here we are. And like Dawn said, we're not going to be setting any land speed records today, but it gives you an opportunity to see a little bit of the acceleration. For a 2.5 liter turbo diesel, this feels like it has plenty of power for any kind of road. So here we are at the end of our farm road, on the end of our journey. We'll go back to the showroom, put this one inside, make some hot chocolate. How does that sound?
I did not dress appropriately today. I couldn't drive because I slipped on the clutch.
Yes, Dawn wore very fancy shoes today. Or as Tom would say, last season's Pradas.
Don't stomp that last season Prada feet.
Oh, that's what it was. Yeah, so we're going to go put this back, warm up, and we want to wish you a happy holiday, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. You can find us on Instagram at Autosport Designs, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.
Are we getting the Festive is cool?